Let's find the limit as x goes to 1 of 1 over the absolute value of x minus 1. Let's replace x with 1 to see what happens. This gives us 1 over the absolute value of 1 minus 1. So we get 1 over 1 minus 1. This gives us 1 over 0, which does not exist. Since our limit is with respect to 1, we note that just to the right of 1 and just to the left of 1, x is positive. So we can drop the absolute value bars and write limit as x goes to 1 of 1 over x minus 1. Let's see what happens when x is 1.01. We get 1 over 1.01 minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 0.01, which is equal to 100. Second, we replace x with 0.99, which gives us 1 over 0.99 minus 1, which equals 1 over negative 0.01, which is minus 100. We can do more calculations like these, but they all will suggest that the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of 1 over x minus 1 is positive infinity. When x approaches 1 from the left, the limit of 1 over x minus 1 is negative infinity. This means that the limit as x approaches 1 of 1 over the absolute value of x minus 1 does not exist.